I could go for a pizza. I never got my pizza. But you know what I could go for more? I am addicted to these. I really enjoy these a lot. The Fail Army. People versus nature. Oh shit, crazy weather. Oh yeah. Oh wait, my aunt used to have like a car just like this. Man, I used to love that car. Yeah, we're gonna watch this. People versus nature, crazy weather. I'm also interested in how crazy the weather gets.
Fox 5, and I'd like to report a light, sunny day today with
Fox 5.
light showers, maybe.
It's just a light shower.
Oh, get out! I got late! What is going on? Oh, brace yourself!
Oh.
Oh, she's gone.
Ooh, that looks kind of nice to get caught in, though. Ooh, but those rocks would scratch you up, huh?
Oh my god!
Whoa! The wall is falling! Wait, hold up. Alright, back to the fails. But hold up, hold up. I want to look at that again, because I was mesmerized by this wall. I did not think it was going to fall down. I thought, wow, that wall looks surreal. It straight just fucking broke.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
I would... Oh! Damn, that sent the water Oh! It is shooting. Holy moly. Oh! It broke his shit. I love getting stuck in like crazy weather like this. Well, I like it and I don't. It's kind of funny, but it's also the scariest shit ever. Like like one time we went to Fort Worth and we were driving and there was crazy hail like this. And we just had to sit there, and some part of me was just couldn't stop laughing, but the other part was like, man, this is fucking terrifying. None of our windows broke though. When is the Buab wedding? Weenie wedding stream? Probably never. I kind of want to stay solo dolo, you know. I don't. No Valentine's Day for me. I was looking at Valentine's Day shit yesterday. I'm good. I'm good. I'll stay solo dolo. It's not looking good out there, gamers. Except I could get pencils and Valentine's Day cards from a significant other. Now that'd be a big W. Big elementary school vibes. Jesus.
Oh, you're not looking back? Oh, cousin, bye-bye.
Oh! I just imagined this would knock out a kid one day. Surely it has.
Yeah, one more time! On the hole! On the hole!
He's just still riding it there. That'd be so fun as a kid, though. Just let it take you. Ride it. The water got inside the boat, boys. Gotta pail it out. Pail it out. Oh!
Holy crap.
Ooh. Oh! Jesus.
Busted my window.
It came breaking in. An intruder.
Holy crap.
Holy crap indeed. Damn, nature, you scary.
Oh God.
It looks kind of fun to go outside too, though. But you know those are hit. Those are like golf balls.
Did you see that?
It did. The man's gone. And he kept his fishing pole, though. Good grip. Jesus, he's driving through hell.
Heavenly Father, please help us.
Truly.
Please help us to be safe.
Where were they? Like, was that like California fires or something? That'd be my guess. Oh! What were you expecting? How far was he going? It looks like people have been skating there for a while, though. There's a lot of marks. Broken window. Yep. I see that. Oh. Get the shot, get the shot. You're gonna miss it.
Oh, she still got the camera. There's a bigger one coming. Oh my god.
Oh, get it, get it, get it. Look, there's another one. Go ahead, start flicking. Oh, that camera's doomed, right? Oh, they're doomed. Fuck the camera.
Oh my God.
The hail is like baseballs here. It is ruining our house. We've got holes in the roof.
Ooh.
Everywhere.
Jeez, like bullets
They
are
are
coming
the
through.
size of
Oh
baseballs.
my god.
Holy
Yo, their lawn is full of jawbreakers. Oh my. Man, that's how it would sound though. Oh. Oh. Get back in the elevator, boys. Oh, not the coffee. Jesus. It's like they're in the wind tunnel at the mall or something. Help them out and grab $1. Ooh. That reminds me of the Jurassic Park like sign when it's just spinning over and over again. This actually looks like the Jurassic Park scene when it's raining. Like, can't see what the fuck's going on. It looks dangerous. Damn. All that water just went into the back of her trunk. Ooh. Ooh. She got so lucky. She could have just been eaten under all that snow. Oh my good. Oh, she actually like saw it or heard it. Oh man. This is, you know, spidey sense really. Damn. Okay. Oh.
Oh, jeez.
Oh.
That's gone.
That's gone. I wonder if this is their house or like an Airbnb. Imagine being in like an Airbnb by the like the water and you just see your Airbnb being just absolutely murdered by the waves. Just hit up the owner. FaceTime the owner. Just show him. Jesus. Oh. Bro, that'd be so... Actually, that happened to my house. A big tree fell in my house because some shit happened like that. I wish I could have saw it. Oh. What the fuck? Oh. The whole roof was gone.
I got it!
Whoa. It's not just wave waters, it's waves of ice. It's kind of cool though.
And right down here is the penis of snow my wife found.
Hey yo, I was there. I left my footprint.
What is that again, honey?
You know, had to let him know I was there. Jesus! I thought that was like a blizzard. This is all hail. Jesus. It looks like the birds just started taking over, dropping all their eggs and just bird shit. Oh. Oh, the cameraman! The camera! Jesus. Is it really worth trying to take those type of photos? Oh. Bro, where are they? I'd love to go there. Just in the middle of nowhere. Oh! You know, just let him get a sip though. Come on now. That's me of the jackass scene from the plane. What the fuck? Bro. That just reminded me of like the Avengers scene when like they pull up the like the world up, like the whole ground just goes up, but instead it went down. Jeez. Jesus. That is crazy to see. It's just slowly sliding down. That is a landslide, right? I mean, it looks like a land. Definitely is a landslide. This is an ice slide. Oh man! Watch out, Frozone's coming through. Get out the way.
Hang on.
Oh.
Oh my god.
Oh.
Oh my god, mommy!
You know, I've seen scenes of trampolines flying like this during storms. I've always thought, what if you had one of those that like this, and you just kind of hold on to the net and just kind of fly with it? That'd be interesting, right?
Oh my god! Get my
See, you get stuck in the tree. You just get blasted with water. No. No, my aunt's car. Wait, is that R2-D2? Look at this trash can. They made R2-D2. Wait, it actually is. No, wait, no shit? That's their mailbox. Or some shit. What? Who made that? Oh, was the land just sinking? Maybe the land was sinking. I have no idea what's going on. But my aunt's car is being burnt to a crisp. Look at this. It's devastating, but I like this mailbox. Earthquake? Well, let's see what falls. Oh, whoa. Wait, where do you go, actually? Now that I think about it, where do you go? He ran outside. Is outside the move? I mean, you don't want shit to fall on you, obviously. So you wouldn't sit in here. No, no, no. Bathtub? No, what if the roof closed? I don't know. Because we don't get earthquakes around here, so that's good. I know what to do. I just know what to do for Texas tornadoes. Oh! She just straight died. You guys get to see that? She straight just died. She didn't even get to take a step. She just put her leg on the ground and died. Oh. 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 It's the Dust Bowl. Ooh. Oh man, it is dark out. I wonder what it looked like before. It's not a good day to go out. Jesus. Oh, those doors look expensive. Where are they at? Huh? Good job. Ooh, was that lightning that hit the tent? It only created like a small hole. What the fuck? The door's leaking. We gotta fix on the door.
That's incredible.
We got a leaky door over here.
As I've seen on YouTube when they've been hit by lightning before, I've seen the trees do it on videos, but I've never seen one for real. Yeah.
That was interesting. No! Oh! Oh!
Are you okay?
Oh, did he hit his chest into the... I know he hit his face into it. Goodness gracious, poor man. He should have been on the bike fails. Oh! Jesus, that went picking up. Save Georgie. Oh! 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 She got racked by a fish.
Oh, this is stupid. Oh, this is so
That is stupid. Oh. Turned into a boat.
I flooded the engine.
Oh.
We gotta let it go. We gotta let it
You just gotta stop driving, man. Just Just sit there and wait for. Oh! What was that? What? Huh? Jesus, these homes look ruined. Oh my goodness. Where's this at? I kind of wish my house would look like that one day. I just, ooh. Imagine seeing that in Texas. Just a house like that. That'd be fascinating. Strange. Ooh, the train's getting right through it. Run through it, run through it. Get them all. Yeah. Yeah. That's great. It's like when people drive through the rain and get me wet. Ooh. Oh. See, is that his fault or the weather? It's probably, maybe that's the weather's fault. Maybe he was going a little too. It is kind of, you know, you can slow down. Well, Jesus, you can't slow this wind down though. Jeez. You guys are doing great. Ooh, they're getting chased by bees. Hey, yo, run! Run! Hey, hey, yo! They're attacking the cameraman. Oh no, everyone's getting it. Go, go, go. Go. Jesus. Run! I hate that you can actually see them on camera. You can see what they're getting attacked by. Or is that better? Only hearing buzzes would be kind of scary. Ooh. Jesus. Oh, pull out, pull out! Were people actually trying to back out? Or was that like... Oh, I hope nobody was in their car. People are like... Some people are in if they are. Whoa. It kind of looked like people were backing out. Or the snow was pushing them. I can't tell. Oh! Hey, you like my mellows. Hey, yo, get his ass. The s'mores.
Don't worry, we have 2 packs.
Oh, okay, never mind. No, we good. We good. Huh? Jesus.
We tried to find the drain.
I'd try to fight my way up those stairs for fun, though. Damn, nature, you are scary.